This is our Sunday Sweet Sunday episode. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And definitely, you are watching The Kitty Show. Ang taray na talakayan show presentation. At sa aming Easy Round, pag-uusapan po natin ang dalawa sa pinakasikat. The teen stars sa kasalukuyan, si J.M. Ibarra at si Fiang Smith, na merong pinapalabas na show, Mare. Ano ang title nito? Ghosting. So, ikaw ay nasa pulong balitaan ng ghosting. Pakikwento, ano ang mga impressions mo naman kay JM at kay Fiang? At anong makasabi mo sa show? Doon muna sa impressions, physical impressions.
Alam mo, yung gateway yon eh. Sa Gateway Cinema eh. Doon ko napatunayan how popular they are.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi pagdating nila, nakakabingi. Yung nasa ano sila? Nasa red carpet. Mabibingi ka.
O ay sa tilihan ng mga
fans. Oo, ay sa tilihan ng mga fans. Ngayon, when they were escorted, talagang ang dami talagang fans ang sumunod. Pagdating sa loob, di nakapasok na sila, di ba? And it was announced na doon na nga sila sa sinihan. Wow.
Pandemonium.
Oo, talagang hindi ko alam kung ano yung nakita nila.
Okay. So, before we even go to the pandemonium inside the cinehouse, yung first impression mo when you saw them, Fiang first. Was she really pretty? Was like...
Si Fiang, tawag dito, pretty and sexy siya.
Okay.
Kasi talagang may curves naman eh. Tapos ang ganda ng skin. Di ba? Talagang ang ko sa kanya is magandang kolehiyala.
Oh.
Yun ang dating sa akin.
Okay. Yung Fiang ba is a nickname? What is her real name?
Nickname yun. Naku, I forgot na. Oo.
So, she's like magandang koleyala, she has the right curves, she's sexy and smooth skin. Impressions mo of JM?
Pag pinanood mo siya sa screen is gwapo. Pag nakita mo siya in person, mas gwapo.
Okay.
Ganon.
Parang, in a way, the cameras do not give justice to his kagwapuhan. Mas gwapo siya sa personal.
Yeah.
Kasi maraming artistang gano'n, di ba? Na mas gwapo sa personal, okay lang sa TV.
Tsaka boyishly handsome siya.
Is he tall?
Oo, tall. Mas matangkad siya kay Fiang. At saka ang maganda sa kanya, parang there is this boyish innocence pa. Hindi yung, alam mong, man of the world na.
Hindi pa siya gastado.
Oo. Hindi pa siya jaded.
Oo.
Is not jaded.
Kumbaga, hindi pa siya parang masyadong naglalaro sa pagiging binata at pagkabinata. How young are they ba? In their 20s? 19 si Fiang?
Parang, ewan ko, parang 19 or 20s lang, ganun.
Okay. So now we go inside the cinema house. Sabi mo, first time kang muling nakarinig ng ganitong klaseng pandemonium. Sa tingin mo nga, where is this coming from? This adulation for these two.
Obviously, sa PBB.
Okay.
Doon sila nagustuhan. Initially. Di ba? Kaya,
sa carry over.
oo. Tsaka, the chemistry is obviously there. Palpable ang chemistry.
Even in person.
Even in person.
They're not faking it.
No, they're not faking it. Tsaka, actually, kung mapagkakaman mo lang silang magjowa na talaga. Na wala pang public
Para pang public declaration.
Oo, ganon. Parang ganon.
Okay. And how was the show? Kasi, sa nababasa ko, may mga taong inaaglahi ang acting talent ng dalawa. Na mas mahusay pa raw si Casper the Friendly Ghost. Kahit cartoon lang ito, sa pag-arte ni JM at ni Fiang. What say you, Mare? You being able to watch a week's worth of episode ba yun?
Yeah.
How are they?
For a beginner, they're not bad.
Okay.
Tawag dito, pero sa tingin ko lang to mas nakakaarte si JM.
Oh, okay.
Tsaka mas malakas ang
Screen presence?
screen presence ni JM.
Why, what's wrong with Fiang on screen?
Hindi, okay naman. I am basing it sa
Sa show
audience.
nga.
Sa audience.
Okay.
Kasi nung first ni Fiang, okay ang reception talagang tilian. Pero nung lumabas na si JM, mas matindi ang tilian.
It goes to show talaga na maraming babaeng talande.
Hindi naman gano'n.
Una ka ito talaga ng gwapo.
Wow!
Iba talaga reaction.
Ang gwapo talaga niya in ano. Yung parang walang pores ang skin.
So talagang true to the matinee idol packaging.
Oo, parang
Okay.
parang he is this generation's matinee idol.
So sa
Talagang
tingin
ano?
mo, sabi mo nga better si, who's this person? JM,
Mm-mm.
Fiang needs more improvement. At sa tingin mo, as the day progress, they will improve. From what you saw.
Oo, kasi si Piang okay naman siya. Kaya lang may ang bias ko nga si JM.
Kasi syempre, Mare, alam mo naman, di ba, yung mga maldita nating mga follower. When you say it's okay, that means it's mediocre.
Hindi.
Oh.
Okay si ano, hindi.
Hindi mediocre.
Oo, tumalon sa mediocre.
Ah.
Sa mediocrity, above mediocrity siya.
Okay.
Kasi there are, you have to admit na first time nilang
Oo.
umarte.
Sila pareho.
Oo. But they're not bano. Na ano to, na kumbaga, they were chiseled, they were polished, they were ano, di ba?
So sure tayong hindi nag-aral si JM sa Alger Abrera Camachete School of Acting.
What's that school again? Aray ko, my God!
Sure tayong may super promising si JM.
He came from another alma mater. Charot!
Ah, not the Machete School of Wooden Acting.
Yeah, oo. Di ba?
And then si Fiang naman, hindi naman siya galing sa Excelente Hamonada School of Acting. Iba rin.
There are better actresses than her.
Oh, okay. Ang ganda-ganda ng mga observations mo, Ma. But do you think this is going to be a big TV hit? Having seen so many love teams launch
Kasi
before.
it's I Want eh. So limited yung ano eh. It could have been, kasi it's an 8-episode series lang sa I
Saka
Want.
sana kung free TV, no?
Oo, kung free TV to, that would be the gauge.
Ang I Want ba may bayad? O libre na rin siya?
That I'm not sure of. Parang may ano eh, may
subscription rin.
Parang may subscription. Hindi ko alam kung tama ako observation ko. Everybody can watch, di
Yes,
ba?
kung may subscription, please let us know. Kung wala,
O kaya
better.
parang ano yata eh, parang 'di ba? I Want is an app. So parang mag-aano ka doon, mag-open ka, magda-download ka ganun. And then you can watch. Pero kung naging teleserye siya, that would be the barometer.
Pero it's too short for a teleserye. 8 episodes kasi, di ba?
Hindi, kung ginawa ng 13 episode
one
series,
season.
1 season, di ba?
Baka kasi wala na lang magpipiga. After the 8th episode, tama na. Sobra na. Next project.
Hindi. Ay, 5 episode away from the kasi 8 lang, di ba? O, what's 5
3 episodes
episodes?
na pinanood sa inyo.
Ano na?
3 episodes na pinakita.
I don't know if it's 2 or 3. Parang on that range. Ganon, ang ano niya. Tsaka ang maganda dito, bagets lahat ng cast. Kaya yung mga bagets din na crowd, yung sa audience,
Super
talagang,
relate, super
alam mo sila ang audience talaga. Talagang
it is so manufactured to please the crowd na meron si Fiang at si JM.
Gen Z talaga. Talagang walang ano.
Ako, isa pang curious ako, Alex. Bakit maraming tao na tila may inis kay Fiang? Meron ba talaga siyang ginagawang kakaiba? Lalo na na-observe mo, di ba? Meron ba siyang mga eccentricities? Meron ba siyang parang akala mo kung sino, whatsoever? Kasi ang dami talagang negative.
Because Fiang is not afraid to do what she wants to do.
Okay.
Kasi maraming ganun eh. Di ba? At saka, people were not used to seeing somebody like her.
Parang hindi siya naka-template na dapat ganito lang.
She's out of the box.
Okay.
Na mahirap intindihin, na in the beginning, hindi mo maiintindihan. Di ba?
So, can you safely say that people should give her a chance to show that, hey, I am not what you think of me?
Hindi. Dapat yung people ang mag-adjust.
Oh.
Kasi, alam mo kasi, sa showbiz, palaging may template. Ang kontrabida, kailangan nakataas ang kilay. Kailangan, di ba, bumubuga ang bunganga, nagmumura. Di ba, mapanakit, di ba? Ang bida,
sweet-sweetan.
timid,
api-apihan.
di ba?
Sweet.
So,
what you're trying to say to me is that Fiang does not fit that mold.
Yeah. Kasi,
para siyang lumanod din yung lustre ng kabataan. Hindi
Oo.
naman.
Parang ganun. Parang, but her own person.
Oo.
Di ba?
What I'm trying to say is hindi nga siya templated na parang pa-sweet like Liza Soberano noon,
Mm-mm.
pa-sweet like
Catherine.
Catherine Bernardo. Kasi sila talaga yung mga pa-sweet, diba? Ang bumali naman talaga noon, si Nadine.
Oo.
Pero yung dalawang, di ba, they were like teen stars, di ba?
Mm-mm.
So parang, tong si Fiang bumabali. That's what I'm getting at.
Oo. At saka, alam mong hindi siya hindi siya careful sa image niya.
Oh, okay.
Oo, parang she was wading into untested waters pero wala siyang pakialam.
Mm.
'Di ba? Knew that she is.
She's a young woman of her own.
Oo, parang siguro sinabihan naman siya.
Magpakatotoo ka lang.
Sinabihan naman siya na, you have to do this, you have to do that, don't do this, don't do that. Pero she has a mind of her own.
Mm-hmm.
Yun ang ginagawa niya.
Which makes her more endearing to her fans.
Which makes some people repulsive.
Mm.
'Di ba?
Repulsed by the very idea na ganito siya kumilos sa umarte.
Parang,
but to her fans, mas lalo siyang nai-endear.
Oo, to her fans na kasi idaran niya, kasi they can relate to her.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba? Alam nila yung ginagawa ni ay ginagawa din naman kasing idaran niya.
Okay. Question for JM. Is JM Ibarra going to be like Joshua Garcia big? Career-wise?
Yes, but not that fast.
Oh. Okay.
'Di ba?
Great
It will take
observation.
time.
Mm-hmm. Akala ba si Joshua it took
Oo,
time?
iba, 'di ba sa PBB lang
PBB
nakita
rin
yan
si Josh.
na 'di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Ang tawag dito, kaya dapat you make careful planning sa career niya,
Mm-hmm.
'di ba? At saka he should not be compared to any like Joshua Garcia before, like John Lloyd Cruz before.
Actually, ba, doon hirap na hirap si Joshua yung kumawala sa comparison with John Lloyd.
Oo, 'di ba?
Diba?
Pero
eventually talaga nakakawala naman talaga
kasi,
siya.
He is a different person, 'di ba?
Yes.
Different persona siya. Ngayon, yung ganung dapat yan iano ng star magic talaga na you should be JM, not a copycat of
You should be
anybody.
uniquely JM and she should be uniquely Fiang.
Kasi si naman din si John Lloyd Cruz naman, there were people na thinking he was the now Dindo Fernando.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Tama ka rin siya.
'Di ba? Ganun naman sila, 'di ba?
And eventually they get their own bearing and they get their own stamp of approval as far as their talent is concerned.
Parang 'di ba? Ang dami nang nagsasabi na si Rico yan, 'di ba? Ginawa nilang standard, ay parang si Rico yan, ay, 'di ba? Yung mga ganon.
Well, kami po ay natutuwa that new talents are coming in. Talaga po ang young bloods ang nagpapaikot at nagpapainit ng showbiz industry. And on that note, this is Alvin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex
And
Brosas.
you are watching the KT Show, ang taray na talakayin showbiz edition.